Hello and welcome to Adams Publishing Group's Focus Training Program. Over the past 8 to 10 months, we've assembled and compiled great information to share with you in a successive program, meaning each module you will watch will complement the one you just finished, and your skill set as a multimedia advertising professional will increase as each video is viewed. We hope you enjoy the format, the simplicity, and the content presented to you by the training committee with input, feedback, and material collaborated by the Adams Publishing Group's Revenue Task Force. It includes communication, advertising and marketing, basic sales training, product training, and more. My name is Steve Rosen, your host. Here we go. Welcome to COMM 104, Tools You Have to Succeed. In the past few videos, we've identified noise, discussed asking questions, and using the SPEAR methodology to juice up your pair. Let's dig a little bit deeper into relationship building. You see, there's both an art and a science to building relationships. The art is within your use of the SPEAR. The science includes our session about strategically asking questions and using your mind. But there's more. Your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your nose, your brain, and your heart need to work together to ensure you're building a solid relationship. Here's how it looks. Use your eyes to look around your surroundings, see family photos, special events, prized stuffed wildlife, an old baseball glove, an award or plaque, a unique piece of artwork, a new product line, the start of remodeling, the rearranging of a store, new hours. You need to be perceptive, and that's what your eyes are for. This information you can use to strategically ask questions, open-ended questions at that, engage in quality data sharing conversation, and build your relationship. Do you see how this can benefit you? I can. Hope you're ready to tune in to our chat about your ears, because there's active listening and passive hearing. Passive hearing goes back to when we were kids and our parents were telling us to clean our rooms or do our homework. Active listening is imperative to understanding what your client is telling you. Do they get excited when speaking about specific things? Do they slow down to make sure you understand what they're saying? Do they deflect when you ask something they don't want to answer? Do they speak louder as confrontation begins or softer when you're both on the same page? It all matters and requires understanding of the art and science of using your ears to gauge interest level and understanding. So let's talk about the mouth. The old saying is that you have two ears and one mouth, use them proportionally. The science of using your mouth and the art of using your mouth sound a bit like this. First, a smile is worth everything in your communication. Are you smiling? Not giggle type smiling, but a sincere, pleasant smile. If not, you're sending some noise that you may not want to send. Are you articulating well? Ever speak with a mumbler? Lots of noise there. You don't have to over-exaggerate, but you do need to use your mouth to enunciate your words. You'll come across as more confident, knowledgeable, and well-spoken. You'll come across as trustworthy and easy to communicate with. So let's sniff out this nose thing as it relates to communication in plenty of sales and communication situations. The nose is often underutilized, and that's a shame. Think about some of the restaurants you have as clients. Your nose will tell you what they're cooking or preparing. At a car dealer, you might identify a new car smell in the showroom, with a certain car more than others that they maybe just brought in. At a retailer, you may sense a new fragrance, a new scent, or simply lunch being cooked in the microwave. It's okay to ask about these things. All of this information you can use in asking questions, developing your relationship, and moving the conversation forward. Moving on, let's think about your brain. Wow, what a machine. Some run faster than others, we know that. Some work better than others, we know that. Some are bigger than others. Every brain operates a human being. How awesome is that? The brain is where your eyes, ears, mouth, and nose send data to in hopes that your brain can process all of this efficiently and effectively. Absolutely incredible to think. Here's the kicker. Much like anything else, your brain needs constant exercise and practical use to make it more productive. Put your brain through boot camp, spring training, a regimen that requires it to see, listen, smell, and analyze data at a rapid pace. By utilizing the senses discussed earlier, each and every moment of each and every day, you'll be amazed at how quickly you'll be in the moment more often and how you can build your relationships faster than perhaps you have been. Like any exercise, it can be exhausting at first, But over time, the exhaustion will fade, the relationships will be stronger, and your revenue will increase accordingly. Remember, 21 days for a new habit to start. High school, college, and pro sports camps are about 6 to 8 weeks and includes practice, practice, practice. You need to practice this as well. Up next, more great habits to get into developing your relationships and strengthening your opportunities. Thanks for watching.